the king, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so on a king body. Body gon' shine, bling bling body. Calling all the shots, bring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Only the king, you know it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Berlin, and on this video today I am teaching you how to braid and band your hair for wash day. So the first thing you will need are some rubber bands, and you can find these rubber bands at your local beauty store, Walmart, Amazon sells them, pretty much anywhere. So you just want to grab a handful of locks, depending on how thick or how thin your hair is. If your hair is thin, you can probably grab a little bit more, but if you have really thick hair, you want to grab them like in sections, so that way you have space. So when you're washing them, you want to grab some locks and you're going to two-strand or braid, and then you're going to fold it under and rubber band them. If you have short areas, I would suggest that you braid instead of doing the two-strand. But for me, I like to do the two strands because it's a little bit easier to take down. So without further ado, let's get started. So now that hair is braided and banded, we are ready for shampoo. You want to use a clarifying shampoo. This shampoo right here, you can find it at your local Walmart. It's about $1.99. It's the cheapest as they come, and it helps with any buildups. Once you're done applying the shampoo to your scalp, you're gonna go in between your braid or your two-strand, and you're gonna scrub your hair. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.